How to get Perky Skin in Roblox Piggy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to unlock the Perky Skin in Roblox Piggy, which was released in June 16, 2025, here's what you need to do. So what exactly is Perky? Perky is the Belizean farmer non-player character NPC from the Pig 64 spin-off game. And how you can unlock the Perby is that you need to play the Pig 64. Complete the warehouse and broken key sections in Pig 64. Collect the Alpha Key. You will earn the Alpha Key through the Pig 64 Into Towers Heroes collaboration event, which is a part of the Case quest line. Go back to the Piggy, which is the main game. Open the in-game shop. Go to the extras category. And then if you have the Alpha Key, the Perky Skin will be available for free. Make sure that you complete the key objectives in Pig 64, specifically unlocking the warehouse and broken key, and you must finish the Tower Heroes collaboration event to get the Alpha Key. And other Pig 64 skins such as Noir, Sterling, and Borders are also available. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.